Alright, I apologize for that. My camera shut off for some strange reason, but whatever. Here we go. This is the new tank of CO2. In case any of you guys watching are thinking about getting this gun, there's a little cylinder here which it just goes into the bottom of the mag, screws in. Just take your CO2, drop it in, throw it in, twist it up, put it in the gun, cock it, and you're all set. Here we go, we're going to get going with this. It's semi-automatic, I just want you guys to see the blowback. Go over to full. Make sure the camera's in the right spot for you guys. As you can see, there's no BBs coming out of it. This thing is real fast. It's upwards of, gotta be in the high 20s, almost 30 rounds a second. So now we're gonna go over and take a look at the carnage. Alright, here we're back at the can. This one didn't quite do as much as the AK did. Busted it up pretty good, and that was 2 mags worth, but this firing test was kind of a hack fest because I was more so concentrated on keeping the gun in front of the camera for the blowback portion, so you could see it more so than aiming, because it was kind of hip fire. But there's the can. This gun on a full tank of CO2 is shooting, I believe, 350 and up. Not positive, don't quote me on that, but yeah, really great gun. Definitely recommend getting it. This is the Carnage. Here's the gun, Tactical Force. What is it? TF-11. Real nice gun. Definitely recommend getting it. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, rate, do all that junk, and thanks for watching.